My name is Bhavesh Bhogayta. I am a director of Aarohi Corporation. We are serving various industries like hydraulic industries, automotive industries, electric and electronic industries, pneumatics industry, and many more industries. We are using 7 CNC machine of LMW, and we are using from last 1.5 year, and we are very satisfied for our high precision parts, and we are satisfied. We bought 2 machines on March 2023, and after very satisfied from 2 machines, we order immediately 5 more machines of LMW, and for upcoming days we are looking for 10 machines.